Hi there, and welcome to this video guide on how to manage communications sent at the time of booking with 10 to 8. In this video, we will outline how to do the following. Customize messages when a booking is made, when a booking is cancelled or rebooked, when a booking is accepted or rejected, and how to add styling to your messages. To make a new booking, click into a blank area in the calendar to bring up the window on the right. Select the service and customer, and some more options will appear. Your customer's preferences for contact consent, email, and phone number are populated from their record. Clicking on the Advanced Communications button will allow you to customize the email text and SMS content. The Ask Customer to Confirm tick box option will ask your customer to confirm their booking back to you. You can decide if you want to book your customer in your business time zone or in their local time zone if that's different. Beneath this are the regular options for time and duration of the appointment, along with the location and staff member. When you click Cancel, Rebook, Accept or Reject an appointment, you can customize your reply at the same time. Clicking Cancel will bring up the options for both email and SMS. If you'd like to add styling to your messaging, you can use Markdown to do this, and there's a link in the description to an article on how to do this. Hopefully, this gives you a better understanding of how you can use 10 to 8 to better manage your business. If you are in need of any further help, a link to our support portal can be found in the video description. We regularly release guides to help you get the most out of 10 to 8 and its vast array of features. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with these video guides. Thank you for choosing 10 to 8.